Alright, here we are. Afterburner and on Amiga and on Workbench if you like. And in the Workbench I think it's running in 32 colors. See here. But when you change it, I think it goes to 2 to 6 colors. But let's have a go. So, trying to various things to see if I can speed it up. Actually, here is double buffer, slow if nasty driver. I'm sure this like slow if nasty driver. Oh, otherwise fast, I wonder. We'll find out soon. I get slow vibes, but yeah, I think it's not going anywhere like that. Single buffer, CPU remap, draw. Let's try this. Who knows what will happen? Alright, so running Mame, AGA, Amiga 1200. That's good. Tell you what. Feels like the longest takeoff ever. I think we've got a bit of speed now. Oh yeah. I have you in my sights. Okay, here we go. Those machine guns. Those machine guns, and this is rocket attack. Rocket attack. Rocket attack. So yeah, it's working. I've kept the machine gun button down as well, which is shift. Oh yeah. Looks good on the screen. Here's a rocket attack. Oh, I missed it. I can get these people in a rocket attack. Come on. Don't go. Oh no, I've been hit. Oh no. Alright. One more battle. Come on, get these people. Yeah, rocket attack everywhere. Spamming the rockets. How many rockets do I have? I survived. How do you recharge the rockets? I forgot. Oh, the recharge tank. There's a rocket there. Another rocket there. Last rockets. Machine gun these guys. Fire rocket there, another one. Oh, I've got more rockets. More rockets. So something must reboost you and maybe get a new stage. So yeah, it's great. I mean, you can keep playing the Workbench. So Amiga is multitasking. There's a break I wrote. Oh, and the PyStorm gives it the type of power it needs, and most people just see all the fancy HDMI stuff and think, oh, no. The whole computer works faster. Don't need to Oh, it's gone. But yeah. Intentionally load. See? You can fully multitasking and there you go. We'll try another game now. Okay, so let's just play some Operation Morph as an alternative. Be impressed. Because it's got sound. So there you go. And now let's have a go. Sorry, I put the volume down. Just gonna get noisy. Communications. Okay, we go. Got my Uzi. I'll probably have to stop it because it's a bit late.